Guys first life, baby. Yes, sir.
Conspiracy.
What's happening, YouTube? Hey, man, I had a blooper, man. My camera dead, but hey, we gonna go off the phone today, man. We gonna go off the phone. Stay tuned. Hold on.
G-Body King here, once again. Give y'all updated what's going on at the G-Body King shop. Dubs and Suds coming soon. Dubs and Suds Customs working on something. But in the meantime, G-Body pressure for all y'all that keep talking about y'all got that pressure.
Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I got a crack in my phone, y'all, so I apologize, man. And y'all understand, I forgot to charge my camera. But this is exclusive right here, and we're going to catch all that. 9 inches. All 9 inches, man. Hold on. I need some more room. I need some more wallets, man, you know. Golly. Look like an ant in there. Oh my. G-Body King. See, this is just one though. You see this? This is the I'ma cruise the city and smash you. And then we got the one we gonna take to the track and he gonna smash you with the rosies. Smash you with the rosies. Can't show you too much. To the hard way. It's crazy. MTW handing out pressure. Man, G-Body King, man. I seen a lot of people was like, man, how he G-Body King? Because he got all the G-Bodies. Y'all made him go into the bag. Y'all made him go into the bag. And he did a double on you, a double whammy. Double whammy. Tell him how you run it.
Ain't a whole lot to everything right here. You come see butt naked, you will get right. Ain't a whole lot to that.
Ooh, y'all heard it. Come see butt naked. You can get it.
You see, I got the 71 models in that day. Y'all notice that ain't in the front.
I see that. I see that.
Straight race car motor. You hear me? Build any kind of motor. I build LS. I'll be a conventional. I don't give a damn what you want to do. Only thing you got to do is pay the man.
Y'all see what he got in the air. Got that trans. You don't see too many of them running around.
All you got to do is pay the man, and you get what you're looking for. That's all you
Bag right here, you looking just like yourself. You hear me?
That y'all see the guts is crazy. The seats is out right now. But a little sample. Sorry about the little flare on my iPhone. I dropped it. I usually record with my Canon. Oh yeah, on the 75. Got the 75 over here too. Got the 75, 454. Big block. Man got everything in here. You want it, he can do it. Name it, got it. This is crazy. You like that, baby? My baby, she just woke up. But we got that early call to come get this footage real quick before we go in the lab. It's gotta be tubbed like that one. So, I ain't gonna be here too long. And one of my homies always let me get that exclusive footage. But you see it too the hard way. I forgot he did the interior on this one too. He already got the interior done on this one. You see the Sandman pedals. Sandman, got the MTW steering wheel. You know what I mean? Seats is funky in this one too. New carpet. Man doing it, man. Respect it or check it. So there you have it, man. You got 2 G-bodies, not one, but 2 G-bodies coming out the lab for G-Body King. 26 by 12, 9-inch lip. It's crazy, crazy. Inside's done, both of them. Suspension, this one's about to go in the lab. You see the Regal one already done. It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy. It's gonna be a cold, hot summer. Cold, hot summer. See, it's cold, but it's gonna be hot because you're gonna see the tag. You know what I'm talking about? But anyway, you know, like, subscribe, comment, share. You know what I'm saying? The G-Body King is coming. If you feel some type of way, I'm sorry for you.